So here's a quick overview of whoo location sharing app. Yeah, we just climbed it in the top chart. So this is kind of similar to what you can have in Live 360 or Snapchat Map, but it has much less feature, this app yet, but it will be developing a lot and it will be focusing much more. So yeah, you can just create your account and then you can see where your friends are located. Then you can just tap plus and add your friends here. You can just add them by QR code, or you can just search them, I guess, but this is not okay. This is working like that. So you can just search by username and then you can just add friend like that, and then you will just send a friend request in the app. So yeah, for example, that's basically the idea. There aren't that many users yet in the app, so hurry up if you want to register with some cool username. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Yeah, so that's what it is. And then you have messages here. Then you have your account. Yeah, you can share your QR code. You can see how many times someone watched you today, like how many times someone followed you, like where you are going, how many friends you have, your friends list. You can change the app icon, but I guess it will be coming in upgrade version or in just later releases. And then you have your like settings where you can edit your profile, you can change your username, you can see whoo development schedule, you can contact us, you can tap delete account and all of that. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Hope this is helpful.